Content curation is the process of sorting through the vast amounts of content on the web and presenting it in a meaningful and organized way around a specific theme. Perhaps one of the best tools out there for content curation is Pinterest. Pinterest allows you to visually show information that you've been curating to individuals. Today we're going to look at how you can embed your Pinterest widget into your online Moodle course. To get started, you should have three things open. First, the board in Pinterest that you would like to embed in your course, the Pinterest widget builder, and finally, your online course. Let's go back to that blended learning page that we're going to put in our course. You want to begin by copying the link in the address bar. Then go to your widget builder, select the type of widget you want to build, in this case the board widget, and paste the address into the Pinterest board URL. Notice you can adjust the image width inside the board, the height, and the width of the board. Select Build It. As you scroll down, you'll notice that the board now appears. You will also see Insert the link and Load the JavaScript. Make sure that it is set on Advanced in that second box. Next, copy the link under Load the JavaScript. Then go to your blended learning course. Turn your editing on. In this first case, we're going to just add it to our front page of our course. Select Add an Activity, and choose Label. Turn your editing tools on and select your HTML source editor. Paste that JavaScript right into that box. Then return to your widget builder and grab the insert link. Go back to your course and paste that below your earlier script. One thing you might want to do is center the widget on the page. To do this, you'll want to type center at the beginning and the end of the code. Notice the symbols that are going with that code and select Update. Notice it doesn't appear in the label text, but when you save and update to course, the widget will appear. Students can then hover over each item and see the description. If they'd like to view it, they can select it and a pop-up will appear. If they have a Pinterest account, it will ask them if they want to pin it to their board. Once they've done that, they can see how it looks. The pin will then open and appear on their page. You can move that widget around on the page by selecting the crossbars and driving around. Another way you could use a widget builder or widget on your page is to add it to a discussion topic. So in this case, we're going to locate discussion forum and add it. Go ahead and type in the forum name, in this case blended learning. And just like before, turn on your editing tools and go to that HTML source editor. Paste your first code in there, the JavaScript. Hit enter, go back to that widget builder, grab the second pieces of information, paste it in there. And again, if you'd like to center it, just add that little bit of code at the beginning and end. You also want to add some directions explaining or asking students to do something with the information in the discussion forum. In this case, we're asking them to review the pins and select two and write a reflection about each one. Update the box. Notice the directions appear but not the widget. And save and return to course. Once there, if you go down to that discussion forum that we just created, select it. Notice that the pins will appear and they can start to add a discussion topic into the forum. Those are just a couple of ways that you can add Pinterest into your online course.